Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you're signed into an administrator account and that you saved any open work. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter to launch it quickly. You want to locate the device category, network, display, or sound, and right-click the specific device to inspect properties. This lets you note the current driver version and provider so you can confirm an update actually changes those values. Now you'll update the driver. Right-click the device and choose Update Driver, then pick Search automatically or Browse My Computer depending on whether you already downloaded a package. If Windows finds a newer driver, it will install. Make sure to prefer the manufacturer's signed driver when available because that reduces compatibility issues. If you downloaded a driver, point the dialog to the extracted folder or in File. Windows will use those files directly. Once installation completes, review the success message and proceed. Finish by restarting Windows to finalize the installation. After reboot, open Device Manager and confirm the device shows no error icons. If the new driver causes instability, use Properties Right Arrow Driver tab Right Arrow Roll Back Driver to revert. Make sure to keep the older driver noted earlier so you can compare. If rollback fails, boot to safe mode and uninstall the problematic driver. Then use System Restore to revert the system to a stable point. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.